Okay, Friday night in Boulder. I'm gonna go do this car wash. Sorry if I sound tired. Just finished a swim meet. So this is the Shortstop table Mesa. Unfortunately, let's go through here. Unfortunately, it's another Kondor. So, and yeah, it's sort of raining. And yeah, this Kondor doesn't light up either. It's a base, cheaper model. Yeah. Yeah, that's the place with the baseball names, so, and not surprised they've been raised since the last I did one of these. There's a 9, a 12, and a 15.
Please add payment for your selection.
I had to wipe the screen on the card reader because I can't even read it. Heck? Does tap not work? Oh.
Would you like to have a receipt?
There it goes. Maybe. Dang. There it goes.
You have purchased the work wash. You may enter the wash if it is ready.
Man, it's dark in here. It's kind of fun doing these car washes at night, though. It is dark in here. There's not a single, accent or decorative light in here. The car wash sign just lights up the whole bay by itself. Oh, it's a KL1. I thought it was a 2. And it's with a black arm. And yeah, I know some of my stickers on my back windshield are coming off. I'll take care of that later. Triple foam in Turtle Wax Pro Fire wax, whatever. gantry rinse. Clear coat, ice instant shine. Yeah, it's like the status signage themselves is the light show. And yeah, there are air cannon dryers, also black. Try to capture another good startup of those. Super hard shell finish. No. I can't read that on the screen, but that's what it says in person. Surface protectant. Probably our spot free. Pretty good capture. The timer is stuck at 60. It's still, look at that, the timer's stuck at 60. Well, it seemed okay. I know, I'm not a fan of these systems. They're just super mid. Okay, now it's counting down. Really slowly, actually. It's like counting down 1 every 2 seconds. That's pretty generous on the dryer time, though, but I'm out. I think it's raining again, so... Okay, they shut off. Well, seemed okay. I know there's some people that really like these systems, but personally, I don't. So, without further ado, thank you all for watching. Hope you all enjoyed another Friday evening car wash, and that'll be it.